Alright, we're going to use Vectr.com to create a character from Disney. Okay, I'm going to click on the ellipse first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag an oval just like this near the bottom of the page. And let's go ahead and change the color. Give me a light color. Probably go near the oranges or yellows and take it over. And then what we're going to do, while this one is selected, I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to duplicate it. Gonna make it smaller. It's very important that we don't have any borders around it, so let's go to the border and take away, make it 0 on all of them. You don't want no border for right now. Make it smaller. I say about this size, and then just take it and put it near the bottom. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer. I'm going to right click on it and duplicate it again. Now I'm going to drag this one up. And I'm going to drag it up. Then I'm going to duplicate it again and put them side by side where they're overlapping. And right now these lines are telling me they are lined up correctly, and that's what you want to see. Now to keep it safe, I am going to make sure you have these shapes, okay? You have this one, you have a round one here, you have these two are going to be the same, okay? You have these shapes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of them, hold the shift key and click on the other one, then the big one, then the small one at the bottom. Make sure you select all of them. And then we're going to come up here. When this come up, we can hit the first option, unite, add. We want to unite them to be in one shape. So hit that, and now they are one shape. So now if you want to add an outline to this, you can take that number up, and I would prefer you make it a black. Now they're all one shape. That's what you want. You don't have to really outline it if you don't want to, but that's fine. But this should be one shape. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do another ellipse, and we are going to make a circle that should be about that size, somewhat just like this. And I'm going to hit send to the back, click right here, and you want to see it. If you can see this, click on that send to the back. Click on it. And that was at the back. You can move it around, get it right. And if you need to bring it down some more, I say according to the photograph I'm looking at, you probably need to bring it down some more. But if you want to go online and find that picture of Mickey, then you can do so. And I'm going to go ahead and change the color for him. Make it a darker color. And then you are going to right click on the black and duplicate it. And then you are going to make it smaller. And we are going to flatten it a little bit. Then we're going to take the mouse and put it near the edge to where it's curving, and then we're going to rotate it. Then you are going to duplicate this one, drag it to the other side, and then we're going to flip it, go up here and hit the first option, flip horizontal. Slide it over some more. Then we are going to duplicate this one, bring it down, and we are going to rotate it. Got it a little bit off, but that's fine. Probably make it a little bit smaller. We're gonna try to make something that's just gonna look like Mickey, but not quite exactly. Then we are going to do another circle. Make this one white. Then you are going to right click, duplicate it. Then we're gonna do another circle, right click, duplicate it, change it to black. And then you want to click on it, make it smaller. Duplicate it. Then put it. We are going to just do this simple oval shape for the mouth. And I'm going to just go ahead and do a ellipse. And just do another circle near the bottom, right about here. So you just put a circle right down here near this opening for right now. All right, after you finish doing everything on Mickey, you can go ahead now and you can add your name. And you need to go to the T for text, click on it, then come over here and just click and type in your name. And if you want to make it bigger, you can always go over here to the layers and hit text, click on that text layer, and you see these circles, just take one of them and just drag it out, and your name will be bigger or smaller by just dragging in and out. You can also change the color of your text if you want to do that. All right, after you add your name and you have finished everything, take the mouse and drag over everything around the face. You can easily make everything bigger by dragging one of those out to the outside. Just try to fill up as much of the page as you can. And that's it. To make him look like Minnie, we're going to just keep it simple. All we're going to do is add a bow. Okay, we are going to go to the lips. That circle. Then I'm going to double click on this to go to edit mode, and I'm going to click on this circle at the bottom and then drag the lines out and do the same up top. Go and click on this, drag the one line out, both lines will go out, making it more of a rounded rectangle shape. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to go ahead and change the color. Then I'm going to go down here to the more shapes, and I'm going to pick this raindrop shape, and I'm going to use it. Try to get the same color. I'm just going to take it all the way down to the very bottom. Click on this one, take it down to the very bottom. I'm sorry, take it to the very top. Just make it red. Keep it simple. Then I'm gonna click on this one and do the same thing. Take it down to the very bottom, get it red to where they're matching. Then I'm gonna click back on this one, this raindrop, and I'm going to take the mouse and put it on one of the corners that I can see when it actually curving, and I'm gonna rotate. Gonna go ahead and put it right there. Then I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to duplicate it. Then I'm going to also rotate it. I want it to be the same. Then I'm going to take it and put it, and you can extend it if you want to, extend them both. I'm going to rotate this some more back up. Then I'm going to click on one, then hold shift and click on the other one. Only these two, only those two, and I'm going to unite them as one. Then I'm going to duplicate it. Then I'm going to hit flip horizontal and then drag it across the other side. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and save it. And then you do your export. If you go up here instead of doing SVG, do PNG or JPEG, that's fine. Take the number up to about 900. Actually, let's do 800 for this one. And then you just need to right click on the image and then just hit save as. And it's saved to my download folder. That's what I wanted. And then just hit save and just submit your work from the download folder. And that's it.